The wait is finally over. The registration forms for this year's NIT entrance exam are out. This is the exact video where we'll teach you how to fill up this online form and the list of documents you require for filling up this form completely. So let's quickly get started. Let's first look at the important dates regarding this form filling. The first is the online application starts on 8 January 2021 and the last date to submit these online application forms is by 7th February 2021. The submission of online application with the late payment fee, that means if you have missed submitting the form during the main timeline, you can later submit it by paying a little extra late fee from 8th February to 12th February 2021. And the window to edit the application form, that means in case you have made any mistake, apart from step 1, you have made any mistake anywhere in the application form, you can edit it later from 12th February to 15th February. They will open that window and you can edit the forms at that time. Now, the date for downloading the admit cards for DAT prelims will be by 4th March 2021. And the final DAT prelim exam, prelim means the first round of exam, that will be the written and the drawing section of the exam will be held on 14th March 2021, that is Sunday. So this is the day when you have your first round of NIT exam. The DAT prelim result, the first round's result will be announced later, and then DAT mains dates and everything related to DAT mains, their admit cards and the result, and followed by counseling. All dates are yet to be announced by the official authorities. Before filling up the form, let's talk about the fee of the application. The fee for application for general category, general EWS, OBC and NCL is 3,000 rupees. And the fee for SC, ST, general PWD, general EWS PWD, OBC NCL PWD, SC PWD and ST PWD is 1,500. The fee for overseas candidates is 5,000 rupees. Also, the payment mode for this year is only online, that is through credit card or debit card. Now let's look at the important documents that you need to fill up the form so that you have them already before filling up the form. The first is a photograph. A photograph needs to be a passport size photograph that must be taken in a professional studio. Yes, it's very important to be clicked in a professional studio. Photographs with self-composed portraits will not be accepted. Photographs must be taken against a white background and must be recent and should have been taken up after 1st September 2020. It should not be an old photograph of yours. The facial features should occupy 80% of the area in the photograph with a clear view of the whole face directly looking into the camera. The main features of face must not be covered at all by your hair or any cloth or any other thing or shadows. The forehead, both eyes, nose, cheeks, lips and chin should be clearly visible. If you wear specs, glares on the glasses will not be acceptable in the photograph, so make sure you check on that. Spectacles with dark or tinted glasses are also not permitted. Only clear glasses are permitted. The digital version of your passport size photograph is to be uploaded in JPG or JPEG format with a minimum size of 75 KB and a maximum size of 100 KB. So please check on the file size, otherwise you will not be able to upload it. In case you have a file size heavier than this, try to use a compressor or a compressing app online to compress your photograph to under 100 KB. Next important thing you need is a scanned copy of your signatures. Now these signatures must be taken in black color only and must be written against a white background. That means on a plain white paper, you have to make a black color pen signature. Then these signatures must be scanned around the area where your signatures have been done. And also note that the photographs taken with your mobile phones will not be allowed. You only have to scan it properly. Please guys, don't do any such mistake and later regret that this was rejected or anything. It is clearly mentioned that it has to be scanned and not taken a photograph of. And these signatures have to be uploaded in JPG or JPEG format with minimum file size of 75 KB and maximum size of 100 KB. Again, compress it in case it is of a heavier size. Third important document is your caste certificate. Apart from general and overseas candidates, all the candidates belonging to EWS, OBC, SC, ST, PWD categories have to submit their caste certificate. On the admission page 2021, if you scroll down in the download section, you will find the formats of all the certificates. You need to download these certificates, get them filled and stand by the official authorities. and submit them by attaching them to the form. The overseas candidate have to attach a scanned copy of first page of their passport and the last page of their passport, and they don't have to upload any certificate. For more details regarding the certificate, or if you have any doubt regarding what date of issue should be of that certificate, please refer to BDES Admission Handbook 2021 PDF on the official website and refer to page 18 and 19 of that handbook. You will easily find it in download section on the website. The link to the official website and the download section as well as the form will be given in the description box below. So check the description box for the important links. Another important document is your debit card or credit card from which you are going to make the online payment, because this year there is no offline payment mode, only online you have to pay. Now before filling up the form, the first thing you have to prepare is a paragraph on why have you chosen NID's Bachelor of Design program, and you have to write a paragraph in not more than 900 characters giving your reasons of selecting NID. Try to write it in bullet points and make it short, and keep it pre-prepared in a Word document so that you can just copy and paste while filling up the form, because you will be asked for it. Second paragraph that you have to prepare is how do you think this course will help you in your academic plans or career ambitions. Again, you have to frame this paragraph in not more than 1200 characters and keep it ready in a Word document. Third thing you have to write is a brief statement about yourself, including the details of your interests, hobbies, etc., not more than in 900 characters. So keep all of these 3 paragraphs ready, thoughtfully prepared. These do not carry any marks but still give a good impression while you fill up the form. So keep them pre-prepared in a Word document, and while you are filling up the form, just copy paste these paragraphs in the form so that you don't have to wait and again move back to writing these paragraphs while you are filling up the form. Let's now quickly understand the right step-by-step procedure of how to go about filling up this form correctly. To fill up the form, first of all, we have to go to the official website of NID, that is www.nid.ac.in. Once you are redirected to the main website, go to the admissions section. Scroll down and click on Take Me There red button under Common Admission Portal. You will be redirected to Admissions 2021-22 page. Now, here you have to go to the second section which says how to apply. Click on the sign up button, that is the step 1 of your form filling procedure. Here they will notify you that because of COVID-19 situation, the DAT prelims or mains exam dates could be changed or may be conducted entirely online or offline or in a combination of both modes. You have to click on accept and continue button. Here you have to fill all the mandatory fields such as program of study. If you want to go for bachelor's or master's, click on the field accordingly. Next is nationality, if you are Indian or overseas. Then is applying in which category, so you have to click on the category if you are general or SC, ST or OBC. It is also mentioned that only candidates that are born on or after 1 July 2001 are only eligible for admission. So please check the criteria of eligibility before filling up the form. Then, are you planning to apply under differently abled under PWD? Write yes or no accordingly. Then your date of birth, confirm date of birth. Guys, please be very careful while filling up date of birth because this cannot be changed later. Then your first name, middle name and last name. Again, be very careful of writing your name, spelling everything that is mentioned on all of your certificates, of your 10th board certificate, on your birth certificate and all these things. Then your gender, email address. Now one important thing regarding email address is that you have to fill the email address which is active from last 1 year. You cannot fill a new email address here. So make sure that you are using that email address from at least 1 year and that you check it regularly. Only fill up that email address here. Then give an alternate email address as well. Then give your mobile number and an alternate contact number, preferably of your guardian or your parents. Then any relative or acquaintance working in NID, you can mention no. How did you come to know about admissions 2021-22? Here you can select from anything like social media or newspaper website, wherever you got this information from. Then you have to click on the I certify paragraph and then yes, I would like to receive email notifications, and then click on submit button. Once you click on the submit button, you will have a ready form appearing in front of you. This is the form you have to check
twice at least to make sure that everything is correct, because this information cannot be altered later even when the window to change or alter starts. So make sure you check it twice and then click on I confirm button and then confirm and sign up. In case there are any changes, click on edit button, do the changes and then click on I confirm and confirm button. Now here you have to again fill up your email ID and your date of birth and click on sign up. This completes the first step, that is sign up and login. Now we are redirected to step 2, that is application for Bachelor of Design or Master of Design, whatever you have filled up. Now you have to again check the details very carefully. This is to ensure the details are checked twice, thrice, because this cannot be changed later. So once you check it, click on I agree button and then click on the exam center. So here you have to click on the exam center where you will go to give the exam. This should be the nearest city where you are staying currently. It can be the city you are staying currently in, which is convenient for you to go through. So this is the exam center, not your admission center. Okay, so fill where you can go easily to give the exam. Then place of your birth, district and state, then father's name, then mother's name, then annual income of your family, less than 8 lakhs, between 8 to 12 lakhs, more than 12 lakhs. Make sure you fill it right and precisely, because according to this also sometimes you get scholarships and other things. So make sure that you have proofs to prove the family income you are quoting here. Then next is your blood group. Is English your first language? That means is English your mother tongue? Like if you are from South and you speak English only, you can say yes. If you are from North and or other parts of India where your mother tongue is not English, then you can write no. Then you have to write your present address wherever you are staying currently, and then your permanent address. If it's same, you can click on same as present address and this will be automatically filled up. Then you have to give your education details. The board you are studying from, the stream you have chosen, is it PCM, commerce, science, humanities, arts or whatever. Then your school's name. Exam status, this is very important. If you are in 12th currently and you are giving this exam, click on appearing. And if you have appeared for 12th, click on appeared. Or if you have already passed the 12th examination, click on passed. The year here refers to the exam year you have passed your 12th or you are appearing your 12th in. So make sure you correctly fill it up here. Then is the marking scheme, the percentage that your board examinations are taken up in. Is it percentage wise or grade wise? And then give your percentage or grade marks that you have scored in 12th. Then you have to fill these 3 paragraphs we told you earlier. Why have you chosen NID's Bachelor Design program? How do you think this course will help you in your academic plans and career ambitions? And brief statement about including details of your interests and hobbies. All of this have to be filled, and I told you in the document section itself that you have to pre-prepare all of this in a Word document form, and when you come down to this stage, just copy and paste them here and click on save and proceed to upload document section. Now you can see on the above green line that you are already 2 steps far towards the final payment procedure. Now let's go to the step 3 and upload the documents. The first document is the photograph. Please make sure that you follow all the specifications I've mentioned to you in the important document section and upload the photograph in the right size, in the right file format here by clicking on upload. When you click on upload, a window will open that will redirect you to the folders in your PC, and you can select wherever your photograph is placed and click on upload. Next comes your signature. Again, notice all the instructions carefully on how the signature has to be done, what is the size and the format, and click on upload. Then you have to upload your caste certificate as mentioned with the instructions earlier. Once you do it, click on save and go to payment. Now we land upon step 4, that is pay and print. Click on I agree button. In front of this, you will see the application fee as per your category. Now click on I agree button. Next click on proceed to payment and you will be directed to the page where you have to select the type of card you want to make the payment by. Fill in all the details of your card and click on pay now. An additional 45 rupee bank transaction fee would be charged here. Once you fill up the details, your complete procedure will be done, and now you have to save and print this payment document and keep it with yourself in case there is any discrepancy later. For any further updates regarding your NID exam, your admit cards and everything will be emailed to you. So make sure you keep on checking the email ID you have given here at the time of filling up the form to get any further update.
Good luck to all the future designers for their first step towards the admission. If you have any doubt or query, write to me in the comment section below. Also, if you've understood the procedure well, give this video a like. Also, there are a lot of very important informative videos on how to crack NID, NIFT, the tips and the tricks on our channel. The links to all of those videos are given in the description box below. Make sure you've subscribed to the channel to keep getting important updates regarding your exam in future as well. All the best. Bye-bye.